very excited to say that I've had the great privilege of working with lots of women directors. We've always had strong collaborations, and Ruchi Narayan has been a super experience for us and has really told a strong narrative with a lot of expertise and nuance. Ruchi, welcome. And now I'd like to invite the writers. We have Kanika Dhilan. I hope she's here. Is she here? Atika Chauhan. Atika and Kanika. So it's quite interesting. Hi, Atika. It's quite interesting that it's such a strong female-led narrative, led by a mainstream female actor, directed by a woman, creatively nurtured by a strong woman, and all of us at Dharma are such strong feminists, including Somen, Apurva, and me, that we feel like proud to tell this story and want to continue telling stories led by women, created by women, nurtured by women. I'd like to now invite on stage the exceptional cast. I want to start by saying that we have two debuts in the film. Both strong artists who actually have made their debut with us at Dharma. Also Dharma. Both of them solid talents, and we are very excited to do a body of work with them even in the future. They've lent their talent and their creativity to the narrative of Guilty, and we're very excited. So I'd like to invite on stage Gurfateh Pirzada. And a friend of mine and someone who's been waiting to exhale for very many years and is now breathing life into Guilty, none other than Akansha Ranjan Kapoor. I will tell you a very sweet story about Akansha, but only later. I'd like to invite on stage a solid artist, an artist who's playing a very integral part of Guilty, Tahir Shabir. Tahir has worked with us in the company at Dharma in the capacity of an assistant, actually, way back in 2011, and now marks a solid presence in our film, Guilty. And now, I'd like to invite someone who I consider my own, who I consider like was always a part of the company, even though she didn't make her debut with us, but I just feel like she did. I've just taken charge of her in my own way, in my own head, emotionally, with love in my heart. I want to invite an actor who has truly proved her strength time and again and keeps surprising people with her choices and has had the most wonderful last year with 2 mega blockbusters. Please welcome the gorgeous and the supremely talented Kiara Advani. All right. I think I have introduced practically everybody that was standing in the aisles. This is the team of Guilty, ladies and gentlemen, and we're guilty of only making a solid film. We hope you enjoy it when it's out at a screen near you. Right now, we're very happy to pose for you. As you know, that's what I do for a living. And after that, we will be showing you the very first look of Guilty.
It's a big family, ladies and gentlemen. This is your opportunity. This is your moment. Please go ahead and click all the pictures that you want.
कास्ट एंड रुचि हाँ अरे नहीं कास्ट के ले लो
Karan has decided to go into the wings now. All right. Thank you. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, you've taken your pictures. You have already, and of course the two gentlemen, Gurfateh and Tahir. Gurfateh Pirzada and Tahir Shabir. And please, you can sit now. Okay, so, ladies and gentlemen, I know you have a lot of questions. So who do we start with? There. Seema ji. Correct? Mic's going to her. Can we put her mic
Hi.
on, please?
This is Seema, right, for First Post. I just want to know, like, how relevant is this story in today's times, like whatever is happening around us, and how was the experience working with Dharmatics for the first time?
Okay, hi everybody. Well, it was an amazing experience to make this film, and you know, when I first spoke to Karan about it, and he said Netflix, I was super excited because I am an avid Netflix watcher, and it was like I was just super excited because it's not just Netflix and Dharmatic. I was Dharmatic's production #1. So I was like, yay.
One for the history books.
Yeah, really. I was like, oh my God. So it was a great experience. And, working with, of course, Karan and Apurva, Sumain, and talking to Shrishti about the film and shaping it to what it's come out. We had the best time, I think, we'll all agree on the shoot. It's feeling a bit surreal now suddenly to see the trailer and it's all coming to fruition. And what was the other
How
question?
relevant is it in
Oh, yeah.
present times?
So I mean, of course, I think it's all the more relevant today. It's always been a relevant issue, but these days there's a lot of talk about it and there's a lot of awareness about it. So just about any kind of assault and, who do you believe? And what interested me most in telling this story was that at the end of the day, when you read an article or you read a tweet or anything, there are opinions and a lot of things are academic. But the point is, in life, it is about human beings. And everybody is coming from a place, everyone has their own agenda. So when an issue like this happens, there are different reasons to believe and not believe. So how do you really know? And I think that is a question which bothers and plagues all of us. And how do you deal with it? How do you cope with it, whichever side you're on? Because everyone has a point of view, and everyone's point of view in some ways is relevant. So that is what was exciting to me. It was a human story about human complexities. And of course, something happens like that, and it does change everyone's life that night.
Kiara, you are looking stunning on the poster.
Where?
You are looking
Okay.
absolutely stunning. So just let us know how was it to collaborate again with Netflix after Love Stories?
Firstly, hi everyone, and welcome to our trailer launch. I can see everyone's family, so like she said, it is finally all coming together. Well, for me, I think the game changer was Love Stories, and that's why when Karan says that, although we didn't launch her in the films, but the film that made all of you take notice of me was a 30-minute short film in Love Stories. So for me, Netflix, any platform that is giving any artist an opportunity to showcase their talent is a huge opportunity. And Netflix has been that game changer for me. Coming to Guilty, I still remember I was in the car with Karan and he told me, I've just heard a narration. It's a very, very strong role and it's the most thrilling script that I've heard. And I want you to hear this story. It's on Netflix. And he thought that I may have an apprehension in my mind because I had just signed on, films like Kabir Singh, Good News, couple of films under his banner Dharma. But in my head, I was like, it doesn't matter the platform. What matters is how important the content is and how good the content is. And when you talk about Netflix, it's a platform that reaches 190 countries. It's much wider for any artist to reach out to an audience that, you know, I believe like 167 million. I was just reading all the stats. I wanted to sound smart. But I mean, that's insane. You don't, for an actor to reach out to so many people, that's what you want. That's why are we making films? We want to reach as many consumers as we can. So fortunately, the script that came to me was Guilty. It's Dharmatic's very first, and I feel some way Lust Stories was also a big game changer when it went on the OTT platform. So yeah, I mean, it's all right there. There was never a second thought. There was never a should I do this, should I not. It just all seemed like a perfect opportunity.
Hi, Kiara. This is Sohail here. Sohail on your left, sorry.
Hi, Sohail.
Hi. Congratulations to you, Ruchi, and the entire team of Guilty. Any one thing, like, you know, where in your life you felt like this was what I did was guilty? It's to you all, and you can confess here, actually.
Slam book question. Back from the 90s. I knew this question was coming somewhere.
My co-star saying eating chicken and now finally you're vegan.
Yes.
So,
Yes.
Hi, yeah, it would be to everyone. Like,
I knew this also was coming. Change the question to one. Yeah.
Everyone, like, you know, Ruchi, even everyone can say about their guilt, and in case if you want to confess it here.
I'm guilty of many things. I don't want to confess any.
Yeah. Yeah, Tahir.
I'll confess. I have, to all the people who I beat up in Bindi Bazaar, I'm really sorry. I'm really guilty of that. I wish I hadn't. Sorry.
Pizza.
Okay. Good for that? Vegan? No?
I think I'm guilty of eating a lot of pizzas in life. And I think...
How is that guilty, bro? That's you living
I
a
mean, I
life.
love it,
never
but
guilty.
in this profession, you have to control. And
Ruchi?
especially her. She was a
fake
vegan, I
vegan.
heard, but she's been eating on a lot of salmon.
I complain.
Well, I would say I'm all for guilty pleasures. So,
Spoken like a true director. All right, next question coming in from this gentleman in the yellow jacket. Yes, sir.
हाय आकांक्षा मैम मेरा क्वेश्चन आपसे है कि रुचि मैम ने इतनी सारी मूवीज़ की हैं और शायद तक ये आपका फर्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट है उनके साथ में सो आपका एक्सपीरियंस क्या रहा उनके साथ में वर्क करके
मेरा फर्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट है पीरियड सो नर्वस तो डबल ट्रिपल आई मीन एज मैंने पिक्चर साइन की एंड देन आई मेट रुचि इन द ऑफिस एंड आई वाज ऑल नर्व्स एंड शी इज लाइक आई सॉ योर ऑडिशन and you were so confident and you're so nervous and I was like yeah because I was acting and I'm shitting right now but that moment onwards we had the role is obviously was very tough was for anybody especially a newcomer but we had so much prep we had so much and Ruchi is someone who also she knows exactly what she wants but she gives you the freedom to do it the way you so she lets you meet the character halfway if that makes sense. So it was very collaborative and I think I got lucky on my first film to have someone like her and so yeah, I lucked out I guess. It's been a great time. Thank you.
There's a question coming from the gentleman. Yes.
Okay, Tahir, be it Manikarnika or Bypass Road or Naam Shamana, we have always seen your character in a grey shade. Yeah, it's a mixed shade. So what made you choose Guilty? मतलब यहाँ हम देख रहे हैं कि आप lawyer हैं लेकिन हो सकता है कि आपके कुछ shades हो. So describe your character as well.
Hi guys, hi everybody, welcome to the trailer launch. Thank you for coming. Yeah, interesting man. Actually, like Karan was saying, I was an AD. I've loved cinema since I was a little child. और मैंने ना जब से acting शुरू किया, I love characters, yeah. So anything that I fall in love with, and Guilty का script I knew because I've known about the script for a while, and this character always fascinated me because it's a lawyer, और मेरी personality के बिल्कुल opposite है. So normally I'm a pretty outspoken, loud kind of a person. And ये सिर्फ 100 शब्द बोलता है, I think, दिन में. So it was very difficult for me to become this guy in the film. So he's a lawyer, investigative lawyer, and उसकी ज़बान अलग है. So when you hear him, lawyers have a particular language, right? So that also fascinated a lot. Ruchi, in fact, worked very, very hard. Thank you, Ruchi. Atul Mongia's workshop we did for a long, long time. So वो बड़ा intriguing था, I think for everybody it was quite a blast. So all the films at least that I've got to do, I'm very, very blessed and rather privileged. This one's an honor. This Karan and Ruchi and Netflix, it's just a dream come true, man.
Okay, Akansha, here. So what made you choose to debut with an OTT platform? मतलब is it the fact that last year जैसे हमने देखा सिद्धांत चतुर्वेदी is a prime example from Inside Edge to Gully Boy. So what was your thought behind this?
Firstly, you never choose your first film, it chooses you. That being said, I literally said it on our movie group chat yesterday saying I couldn't have asked for a better first anything. I've always wanted to do something that I can actually showcase. I've waited this long and I wanted to do something that I can actually show that I have talent. Yes, this role does that, this film does that. It has such a great message, such a powerful message, and I wanted to be a part of that. And I don't think OTT matters right now. If anything, I think more people will see it. And it's funny you say that because the first time I ever met him in the Dharma office, he said, "Tumhara role to Siddharth Chaturvedi jaisa hai, is picture mein." And he always said that to me. Yeah. So really, it's just been ideal.
Okay, Ruchi and Karan sir, दोनों से आपके एक सवाल है कि कियारा का जो character name है, it's Nanki. The word Nanki has a great importance in Sikhism. So don't you think that वहाँ से शायद objections आ सकते हैं?
अरे बाप रे.
And Karan sir, अगर आप भी जवाब दे पाएं तो please.
Karan sir नहीं है यहाँ पे. Karan sir दिख ही नहीं रहे.
Karan sir है वो.
You
नहीं, हमने
think
पुतला
I'm
रखा
sitting
हुआ
here,
वहाँ पे
but I'm not really here.
No,
and
Ruchi, please
Karan
पहले
has
आप,
left the building.
then Karan sir, please. बताइए.
Her full
I
name
mean,
is
it's
Nanki Datta, and
Nanki.
she is a Bengali,
Bengali.
character.
Okay.
So, I mean, we didn't want to get into any particular group. Technically, we've kept her as a Bengali, but as you can see, it's not really peculiar to any group or region or religion or anything like that. They are college kids, as one sees today, and they're not defined by those things. They're defined by their characters.
Karan sir has just slid deeper into
He's
the
left
chair.
the building.
Yeah. He's not. आपको माइक की तो जरूरत ही नहीं है सर, है ना?
The film?
You want to answer? You want me to answer that?
Yeah. I mean, it's not really about that. Of course, because there's an alleged sexual assault, which forms the core of the film, I'm sure, these questions could come up. But like I said, it is really about the different angles of each person connected to this story. Whether they are the ones accusing, they are the accused, they are the investigators, or they're the affected party. So, yeah.
Paji, it's a
So,
thriller.
The story is an incident of what happened one night, and like Ruchi said, it's that. And yet, the film is actually very, very layered. Like, if you ask, I think any of us, what is the premise of Guilty? I think we'll all. I will wait from it because there's so much, but I don't know how much since it's a thriller,
Right.
and it's also very layered with every character. So yesterday I called Karan and I said, "What do I say?" And he said something which I wrote down, so I remember, which I really want to say because I think it aptly describes our film. So basically, consent is a victim of perception. I mugged it up.
Ooh.
He was like, "Mug it
That's a
up."
brilliant line.
No, but it's true because what may be consensual to some may not be to others, and how each of us looks at it and takes it. So maybe what you're saying, it may come up. That's why I think Guilty is very thought-provoking. And you tell me when you see the film, when it releases.
When is it releasing?
Okay.
Okay.
Only good
Whoa.
things, okay?
Hello
I
everyone.
have a question for you.
Firstly, I'll just put this out there. I'm very nervous. This is my first ever everything. Apart from that, I think Guilty is important for all of us. It's the most relevant film that I read when it was offered to me. And when I auditioned for it, I was like, this is something that is my dream. Like, I would love to be in a film and especially be it the first one. First of everything, Thermatic as well, Karan sir, Apurva. And also, I think when you guys watch the film, everyone's going to have a different perception of it and is going to take home something completely different from the other person. Even in a family of 4, everyone might understand, have a different meaning of it, and they might say that, you know, watch Guilty because of this, but the other person's like, but I got this from that. So you guys watch it. Hopefully you'll have a lot of good things to say about everyone in the film.
Adding to what he says, I don't think a family of 4 all will agree to who's guilty.
I think that's true as well.
All 4 might walk out thinking, no, maybe her, maybe him, maybe this, maybe that.
One chicken pizza for Gurfateh because he's nervous. All right, next question coming in from the lady. Yeah.
Okay, so my question is for Gurfateh itself. Here I am. So basically, your sister is already working in South movies and she's leading many South movies. So was she an inspiration for you or someone else? Who was your main inspiration basically?
I think I'm very proud of what my sister has done till now. She's really been an inspiration in life for the person that I am. Apart from that, my inspiration was someone completely different. I think when I started started feeling that I want to be an actor, I watched a lot of films. I am happy to be a part of one of my idols' films, which is Ranbir Kapoor. I'm working in Brahmastra, and I love Ayan Mukherjee's earlier work, Wake Up Sid, Ye Jawani Hai Diwani. So I think Secret works in crazy ways, and that's what happened. They both were my inspiration, and that's because that's the reason why I'm here. And obviously, Karan sir.
Okay, questions coming in from. Can you just use the mic now, bro?
You are doing Brahmastra with Dharma, and now this film with Dharma. Can we say that you are going to be the next blue-eyed boy of Dharma Productions?
Karan just gave a look. He's wearing the blue suit,
Karan's not
blue-eyed boy.
I hope so, but let's see how Guilty goes, and then hopefully I'll be here for a longer run.
Thank you.
All right, we'll take a few questions. Yes, just 2 more.
Hi, my question is to Ruchi. Besides the reach, what advantage does a filmmaker have with an OTT release when compared to a theatrical release?
Well, I definitely feel, I mean, as when you're making the film, when you're writing it and all that stuff, you definitely are encouraged to give the story prime importance. So the creative freedom and the choot that you get in your mind, knowing that, you know, you're doing it for a platform and you can be as true to the story and whatever the story demands, is very inspiring. Because, of course, we all know that, you know, box office pressures make people go for certain decisions, which may not always be the best for that particular story. So, I mean, of course, we love theatrical films, and, you know, one, of course, will also continue to do those, but this is something very special, which when you know you're doing something especially for a platform, I think you can really give it your creative best. And I think that not just goes for being a director or a writer or actors, or, you know, you can really do it the way you think it needs to be done.
Thank you.
Slam book question number 2.
I'm so sorry. I was so busy celebrating a wedding in my family that I didn't know. I'm just hearing everything now. But Kabir Singh won Best Album, so I'm very happy. I'm not on the jury. Yeah, what can I say? I don't know.
Sir, you're not getting the answers you want, aren't you? Okay, listen. I mean, okay, it's a different platform. It's the Netflix platform. So you'll probably take questions only around the film. But I guess we have one more question. Yes, ma'am, we'll finish with you.
Hi, Ruchi, this is Priyanka from Indian Express. I wanted to understand that I've spoken to a lot of female directors, and they've always said that it's not easy for people to take instructions from a woman. For you, on Guilty, did you ever feel that? Do you also kind of see that men, women, especially men, have problems taking instructions from a female helmer?
Okay. So, I mean, I've been directing for a while. So I've also, I think, there is a difference when you're a woman and you are heading something. So, you know, one forms a way to deal with those things. There is a story behind.
Can I cut her
Guilty.
there? I asked, when I heard the narration, I asked Ruchi, have you had a similar incident, or is this why you wrote this story? Like, what was the reason? Is this your story? Do you know? Where does this come from?
Okay, so basically, I did write, I mean, the seed of the idea and everything, which I then wrote with Kanika Dhillon, and then Atika Chauhan, she wrote the dialogues. So, I mean, we were discussing the issues that women face on a normal day-to-day basis. And when you're writing a story, then, you know, you try and develop it into a dramatic exposition of that. So, I mean, it is different. It is different for a woman, and it's different for a man, which you learn by observation. But at the end of the day, when you really want to do something, as you would know as well, we all find our own ways to do it. So,
Isn't that sad that we have to find ways to achieve something which men just get it because male entitlement?
See, like, again, I just want to say, the film, that was the seed. But I was very aware that there's also always going to be another side. There's another side about how men feel. Like, if you talk to men, they also sometimes feel that women get an easy pass. We would be like, excuse me, that doesn't happen. So there's always two sides to an argument, which is actually what I wanted to capture in this film. But the seed was definitely feeling as a woman that, you know, we were trying to cast a film. And a lot of the male stars said no. And I was so angry, and I was talking to Karan. And Karan told me, he's like, you know, there's really no reason for them to say no to you, because this film is really good, the script is really good, and, you know, you've got a body of work, so they should be saying yes. But I have a feeling it could be because they're not comfortable working with a woman filmmaker. And I'm like, well, I love this film, but I'm not going to have a sex change for it. so I think the anger of that did fuel me wanting to make this film. And that really was the core basis. And then, of course, when you're writing a film, then you want to be fair to all the characters and give each person in your film dignity and a story and a motivation and a thought process. So I think we found a good balance, a good human balance, but that was the core.
All right, sir, kitne sawal, sir? You have a question? Okay. So you had something to... Oh, kya baat hai yaar. That's a statement,
Thank
sir.
you
Super.
so much.
Thank
We
you.
need that.
All right, that brings us to the end of this Q&A session. Karan has been sitting there like a principal who's just suddenly in school or in class just listening to his students answer. But thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Remember, 6th of March, Guilty streams on Netflix. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, Kiara.
Thank you
thank
so
you, Ruchi.
much.
Thank you, Kangsha. And thank you, Tahir. And we
thank
still
you
have
again to
one more
Karan.
picture. Yeah, I don't want to cut the light. Get shouted at again.
Please pass it, Mike.
Thank you.
बैठ के नहीं मिल रहा है।
अरे इतना खड़ा होगा।
बहुत खड़ा होगा।
अरे सोहेल भाई 1-on-1 करेंगे भाई करण जोहर के साथ। तुम क्या समझते हो?
हाँ सोहेल भाई 1-1 करेंगे।
1-on-1 करण जोहर को ही पकड़ने वाला देखा भाई। आज दत्ता डीओपी है। आज का डीओपी दत्ता है।
अरे भाई
अरे यार तो कान के नीचे भजा जरा जाके।
सुन ही नहीं रहे हो। कौन है?
अरे भाई एक्स्ट्रा पीस कहाँ से आया?
कब है?
ये कौन है? ये कौन है रे?
वो टी-शर्ट। ओ भाई
अरे सिस्टर ये बोल रहे हो सिस्टर। अरे कितना वाइल्ड लगा है भाई।